ride out either towards the cradle, depending on who's coming with us, and then we'll end up probably at the culinary.
My name's Sven de Wit. I ride a special edition Triumph Daytona.
After a quick saddle and preparation at the Biker Bravado training grounds in Ramberg, the team was ready to ride. The weather was splendid and not a drop of rain.
Speed is everything. You charge per hour, so the fact that you can get through traffic quicker.
After a quick debate on whose bike was faster, it was time to check out the local market and acquired cuisine. Once the short break was finished, it was off for a coffee and breakfast at the culinary. The culinary restaurant in Delhi is situated just next to Lanseria Airport and has a range of delicious delicacies.
Welcome. We rode to Hartebeespoort Dam, had a great ride with a couple of friends, and we came back and had some breakfast at the culinary.
Once breakfast was done, it was time to hit the road again. Thanks guys, until next time.
Bye-bye.